Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The matric standing in front of you is Asha Gonzalez, and I am 15 years of age. I believe in saying that I don't care if other doesn't like me, but the point is, do I like them? Once again, good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, and I am representing Purok Sagi.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Move forward, candidate number 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johnny Marito Brato. I'm 40 years old. Kung iba na sa dalawang drama ako natapos. Thank you, bang.
Please move forward, candidate number 3.
Magsuwag nilaktan, gatay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Uy, tinang variety ah! Tinang variety. Uy, ako rin si Diana Sugar. Uy, tinang variety ah! 16 years of age. Gusto ko nagkano personal killer ko. Bantayan mo. Ang motto is White Toast of the Hat. Peace!
Thank you very much, candidate number 3, Diana Zubiri, Roman Shalabanga, Nawa Iyang Nipon. Let's move forward with candidate number 4.
Ngayong gabi, madlang people. O kamo mga horado nga akong kailang ay tagi-bulgar. Ako di ay si Iwa Ajinamoto na si Wato Bangan o di mo kasabot may gabi.